All Recipes contributor Janet commented, "This is a very easy and no-fail recipe for meatloaf. It won't take long to make at all, and it's quite good." Egg and milk keep this meatloaf moist. For the juiciest results, try to use the best ground beef you can. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, lightly grease a 5 by 9 inch loaf pan using vegetable oil or spray. In a large bowl, combine 1.5 pounds of ground beef with 1 egg, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup either dried bread or cracker crumbs, whichever you prefer. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and mix well. Place the meat mixture in the lightly greased loaf pan and spread evenly. In a separate bowl, let's make the topping that gives this meatloaf its tangy flavor. Combine 2 tablespoons of brown sugar with 2 tablespoons of mustard and 1/3 cup of ketchup. Mix it well. Pour this mixture over the meatloaf and spread it evenly over the top. Bake the meatloaf in your preheated oven for 60 to 65 minutes. All vegetables go well with meatloaf, so feel free to get creative with your side dishes.